Will explain about the indirect function. So first I will go to formula, then selection, create from selection, then top to. Same for this. Now let's see if I use D, then it will give its value. Same for us. Now I will create the top down list of both this column. So I will go to data validation, in list. I will select Y. Okay. So again I will go to data. I have to select in this cell, but by mistake I select for this cell. So again again I am doing list validation. Yeah. So it's D and S. Now if I select D here, then it should be then this all four values should become here in this cell. Same goes to S. So in order to do that, I have to use indirect function. So again I will go to data, then list, then indirect. I will select this cell, then okay. Yeah. So it's D, so it's Python ML. And let's say if I select S, then this value will show. Yeah. So it's called indirect function.